Larry, don't move. It's just a tiny prick.
Tiny? That needle's longer than my whole neck. You're not a doctor, you're a sword fighter.
That's my sleep.
How are you, my child?
Mommy, come home soon. Dad brought his girlfriend here.
Tell me the truth.
Mommy, I am telling the truth. They were both in the room and kicked me out.
Honey, did you eat lunch?
Yeah, Mom.
That's your mom?
Yeah.
You're 40 and she's checking if you ate? Does she tuck you in at night too?
Rocco, seriously,